So the big question this evening is, which performance was worse? Was it Manchester United getting 6-1 or Liverpool getting 7-2? Which one worse? Yes. It's a tough one. Liverpool scored 1 goal more and conceded 1 more goal. Manchester United get for them 6 from Tottenham Hotspurs, while we get ours from Aston Villa. Liverpool played with 11, while Man U were down to 10. But Man United was at full strength, while Liverpool were missing captain Jordan Henderson, goalkeeper Alisson, and star forward Manny, as well as newman Thiago Alcantara. So this was a weakened Liverpool team. Manchester United, though, is a mid-table team in disarray and is expected to get 5 and 6, while Liverpool are the defending EPL champions and up until recently the World Club champions and the European champions, and should not be getting 7 from a team like Aston Villa. So me not biased. The Liverpool embarrassment was worse. And the clincher for me is the fact that Liverpool has a coach who is a tried and proven champion. For me, the best football coach in the world in Jurgen Klopp. While Manchester United has Ole, and they also have Harry Maguire. Yes. So the argument done. Liverpool for no better. Manchester United can't do no better. Argument done. Yes. Argument done.